Welcome back, Jack Nelson Outdoors. Minnows looking fine. We had a fatality. One of the crawdaddies had died, and that's our last crawdaddy. So, ain't too happy about that, but you gotta deal with death. I mean, death's a thing in every animal. We're back out here today with the homemade minnow trap. Have a little tutorial. I'll make an updated one if y'all wanna know about that. I'll put y'all right here. Our goal is to make it to 50 subs. So if y'all think you can do that, let's get it. I need this bread softened up because it's not something. Alright, we got our bread all soft up. Off the edge of America. I really need Tommy out here, but can't come over because state testing. We have that tomorrow. Yeah, great. So like and subscribe. Then if we get 50 subs, I'll do a live stream. Going to the river or somewhere, catching minnows. Go up there to one place, we can catch whole ton of minnows. There's minnows, as you can see. Minnows. Y'all can't see them. I'm gonna put y'all up there to burn. Ain't nothing much, just fun trapping. So I just you blocked all these. Oh, you didn't see me do me finger snap. Plus, we're gonna get our lifeline of water that will transport it. I've even catching minnows in because that will be our transport. Oh bug. Yeah, I don't know how that got back up there. I don't remember it putting that up there. I don't know, something crazy probably. I can't record with my other hand still. I need Tommy. Yeah, live stream. We're gonna have a couple of new boys on here. If you want to see that, like, subscribe. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Oh shoot! I got the hiccups. I mean, I probably ordered my video to be like 16 minutes long, which hope that's okay. If it's okay, if it's not okay, I'll leave the comments open, and you all can tell me about it. Alright? Some of you know where I live. You better not come down here. You don't want to mess with me. Oh, there's a wasp. Hello, wasp. Lost off when I was little, so. Oh, shoot. Ow, ow. I don't want to fall. Plus, I got my good shoes on. I wore them in the creek, but I don't care. Those are shoes. Holy! That's a frog. It's a frog. Should I get I might catch that frog. Juicy. Let me zoom in. Juicy frog. Should I get my net and catch him? Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. I hope he doesn't get away. Oh, he's moving. I have no idea where he went. Yeah, if there's minnows on the shore, I'll try to catch him with the net. But we're going to try to catch that froggy. Woo! Don't scare my frog off. You might catch a frog, put him in tank, he might get out. That's the first frog I've seen in there. That's the first frog I've ever seen in there, to be honest. Froggy. I do like Froggy. Very nice Froggy. So I'm just walking up here. Probably boring a lot of people that probably don't cook off. Well, if you stayed, I ain't gonna say it again. I don't say it again. Sometimes I get tired of making videos, but I still do it. Hope I don't see no snake down here. Or worse, what else? You know, one of those big jaguars coming down here coming at me. Especially one that's white. If we do catch him, I'll let him go. Because I ain't no frog napper. I don't kidnap frogs. I ain't getting no minnows in there. What's the deal? Where's Froggy at? Wait a minute. Frog. Frog. I promise you. You're a frog. I promise you. He's looking at me. Trying to get me. I'm trying to get these minnows too, but they ain't coming. Come on, minnows. Tricky minnows. Tricky. Oh, bird. Where is it? The minnow. I have no idea what minnow. Look. I lost a frog too. That frog has disappeared. Hope you are zoomed in. Alright, man. We don't zoom. Fine. There's minnows. When I leave, they'll probably come back out. Ooh. Ooh, that's a good spot. Ooh. I ain't gonna go all the way past up there. Oh, there's some minnows right there. Tricky. How my grandma Tricky would say. Tricky. I'm gonna leave you all right here on this rock. Y'all need to stay good. Don't move anywhere. Okay? Be back. I always find a way to trick these minnows into going into my net. I just talk to them. Come here, little minnow. Come here. I'm the candy man. I'm the minnow man. Okay? I have your brothers and sisters in my pocket. Just come. That'll be great. I will reunite you. I can. Well, that never worked. I'm not working. I'll be right back. There ain't no way. I want to go in there. cannot. Why I can't? You know, I can't go in the river, but you really want to. I told you all to stay there. The flashlight's on again. Oh, like that. Go. Where the heck? I have no idea what to say. I know y'all been laying there for a bit. Sorry for that. You've just been laying there for like so minutes on the rock, listening to me talk like a frog. But all these things. This is why I need a cameraman. But my dad won't do it. Number one, he might end the video. Number two, who else know what he could do? Number three, apparently number three, he won't do it. I can remember it. Yeah, that's a good spot, it looks like. Yep, alright, we're swimming. We're swimming. I'll put y'all down again. I'm gonna watch something. That's all I got. Watch the tank. Well, son took my bread. Son took my bread. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Ah. If this is my new phone too. I already broke my arm no more. Well, it's in my phone screen. Crap. That ain't good. It's in my phone screen. I don't have my hoodie while I'm covering you all up. I might just have to put you in my pocket. Yeah, I'll do that. Pocket time. What's that? Pocket time with Jason out there outdoors. Pocket time. Pocket time. Oh, pocket time. Woo-hoo. It's pocket time. Oh. Pocket time. It's called pocket time. Did y'all have fun in pocket time? Well, I guess that's going to end the video. Sorry if it was boring. So, see y'all later. Bye.